You know, the window volume slider is boring and has been unchanged for the past few years. Well, that will change today. I will make my volume slider into the Android themed volume slider. So without further ado, let's dive in. So firstly, you will need an app called Rainmeter which you can download from Google. After installation, unload all the default skins on your desktop by just right clicking on them and then just click on unload. Now you will need a skin for the Rainmeter called Jaxco which you can download it from the GitHub. After the installation, it will be loaded. Just download your flyouts from the Discover tab or from the Library tab. After installing the flyouts, just enable it on the left overlay menu. Now go to the layout and choose the one slider you like. Here I have installed some DLCs separately, like the knob type slider called Sleek. If you want the tutorial of that, then just comment below and also do subscribe. Now choose your slider by just clicking on it, and now your slider will be changed, and you can change the appearance of the slider by choosing the color, size and more. There are other options if you like more control, like the position or the audio. But there is one con: the slider does not show you the music playing or the album art while playing on the music on the Windows 11's music player, but you can play, pause or change the tracks on the slider itself. So that's a plus. So that's all for today. Now you can enjoy the new slider. Hope it was informative, and if it was, then do like the video and do subscribe. This is shaFs signing off, and I will catch you in the next one.